Hi everyone, in this video we're looking at using your Casio FX82 Plus to find standard deviation. So this isn't a video about how to do the calculation itself and using the formula. This is how to input a set of data like this into your calculator so that it can do the heavy lifting for you. So the first thing we're going to do is check that the frequency is on. Now a frequency just means that the calculator sets it up in a frequency table. This is useful if you have duplicates like we do here, 88 and 88 and 390s. And also it allows you to input normally more than 50, just depending on sometimes the calculators can only take like 20 different numbers, but if you increase the frequency, that increases obviously your data set. So that's what we're going to do first. So check if frequency is on. So that's first step is shift, then following the setup because that's what it's written in yellow, then hit the down button on your arrow keys. Number 3 as stat, and the frequency has to be on, so number 1, and then that'll bring up that in the background. The next thing I'm going to do is turn on to stat mode. So you can see there's a word math here. I'm going to hit mode. I've got comp stat, number 2 is stat, and we want one variable, so number 1. So as you can see now, I've got a frequency table. So I'm going to insert my data points and their frequencies following this one here. So 87, 88, and then I hit enter. I can use my arrow keys to go back and put 2 in. Oops, enter. 89, 90, enter, and making sure we go back, put 3 in, and 92, enter, 93, and 95, 97. Righto, so now I've got my data in there. I'm going to exit the data input by just hitting the on button. Okay, so there we go. It's now onto a screen here. So to find the standard deviation, we're going on sigma. So that gives us a clue of what we're looking for. We're going to hit the shift key again. And this time we're going to hit this number 1 stat function. So stat, it'll bring up a whole lot of other options. I'll probably do another video for you about what this one's for. And then you're going to go to number 4, which represents variance. So number 4 and number 3, we're looking for the sigma of the data. So there it is, number 3. Click that. Now at the moment you don't have to remember to hit equals, and that gives us 2.79 and so forth. If you're being told to round up, make sure you do so and according to what you need to do. Now if you're doing other functions, or you'd like to go back and say like increase, like add another data point or remove a data point, you can hit on, you hit shift and 1 again, and then you hit number 2, and that brings up the frequency table, and you can edit that accordingly and put your data or adjust your data based on whatever you need to do. Okay, so now you can hit that on, shift 1, number 4, number 3 equals standard deviation. Thanks guys.